everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a video that has been well and truly long awaited. I have been so excited to film this. Like, honestly, I can't contain my excitement. This is just so exciting. Today, if you haven't gathered by the title, the thumbnail, the Instagram hype, I'm here with an office tour, which I am over the moon to be able to say that I have an office. I think that is so cool. I think that, how has this got to this level? I don't even know. But today I'm here with a room tour, an office tour of my brand new office, 2019. So, if you haven't seen the decorating vlogs, you won't know that I have actually moved into the office that used to belong to my dad, which is right next to my bedroom. So my bedroom is on this wall, like the other side of that wall. My dad has moved his office downstairs, and basically, without getting into it, there's a whole load of house renovations going on right now. The whole downstairs of our house has changed, been renovated, and looks different. So if you want to see that, it is in the vlogs at the moment. I uploaded a living room tour at the weekend in my weekly vlog, but this is my new office. I am in love with it. I'm gonna say where everything is from, or like the main bulk of the stuff is from, and just generally do a little tour. Let's go. So when you walk in from the door, you kind of come in like in the corner of the room. Obviously, I'm gonna close it behind me. This is kind of what you see. So you're in the room from this angle. The desk is on the left with the chest of drawers, and then the bit that I've been filming with at the moment is on this wall here. And this is where we're gonna start, because you guys have already seen a little bit of this. So this is the bookshelf that I went for. I knew that I really wanted a bookshelf. I absolutely love how they look. And this one I actually got from Wayfair. It was £37. Don't you think that is so good? So on the top shelf here, I just have some camera bits. I have this quote from The Great Gatsby. Tom actually printed this out for me when he knew I was getting my office. And then I have this neon flamingo light, which Tom's mum actually bought me. So I'm not too sure where that is from. That was a gift. The second shelf down is a little bit more for books. So these are books that I haven't read yet, or books that I've recently finished. So everything on here is like new or just read. And then I have my camera that I actually don't really ever film on, but I used to, and I use it for photography. This is the 700D by Canon, and then just a little Polaroid photo of me and Tom, which is really cute. The next shelf down is also for books. So these are like classic books that I absolutely love. So I've got like Fitzgerald, Virginia Woolf, that kind of stuff. Some of the authors that I did for my A-level, and then on here I have more like arty books. So I've got like some poetry books, I've got a memory journal, these kind of things, a Brooklyn Beckham book obviously, and a little calendar, which is so super cute. I love this, as well as my Instax. I actually have two Instax. I have the blue one here and the pink one at the top. The next shelf down, I have a little teddy version of Lottie that we got when we bought her, and then I also have this little letter printed out from YouTube, which you get sent when you get your 100,000 subscriber plaque. And then I have an original film camera, which used to be my granddad, but I don't actually know how to use this, so I just keep it on the shelf because I need to buy some film for it before I can even try and learn how to use it. And then the bottom shelf is a little bit more for storage. I have a little Eeyore, I have a teddy bear, and then just this pink basket with some random bits and bobs in. And at the bottom here, I have my new Topshop pink bag, just because I think it looks really cute there, and I haven't yet found an occasion to take it out. But like, how cute is this? I'm literally obsessed with it. It's the softest thing ever. I really need to use this. I actually might use this tonight, you know. At the side, I don't actually know where I'm going to put this yet. I am going to change this, I think, but at the moment it's just propped here. This is a vase and some like fake ornate flowers, which is actually from Mers. Now, they have kindly gifted me a lot of the stuff in here, so I'm just going to quickly tell you about them. So this video isn't sponsored, but they have gifted me a lot of items for my office, which is amazing. Mers are a homeware brand that are actually French, and they saw that I was redecorating my office and offered to send me some bits out, which I'm obviously so grateful for, because they really did add the finishing touches to this room. Like, all of my favorite pieces in the room are from them, so I'm definitely going to let you know what I got off their website, and there will be links to everything down below, because a lot of it is super affordable as well. These flowers, which just kind of match the pink vibe, go really nicely in the room, and the vase is also gorgeous. I think my mum might actually claim that because she's such a big fan of it. They are from Mers. I'll put it on screen so you know how I'm saying it, and then I will link them down below as I mentioned. But let's continue. So if you spin around from the bookshelf, obviously now we're at this wall, so here is the door. I have a dressing gown and a cardigan on the back of it, and then here is the best bit in my opinion. This is the desk area. Now I am in love with this. I'm so obsessed with it. It's exactly how I envisioned it in my head when I was planning how I wanted my office. So I'm just going to talk you through it. Obviously these are the Alex 9 drawers. These are from IKEA. I've had these for a little while, but they were always meant to be in here. I did have them in my room before, but yeah, these are the 9 drawers. I then have all of my liquid lipsticks. Now my collection is quite extensive, unnecessarily so, because I don't actually wear lipstick all that much. I love how this looks. The storage units are from Muji and this one is from TK Maxx. But yeah, I just have like my really nice looking makeup on here, so like my bougier high-end stuff. The desk is also from IKEA. This is, can't remember the exact name for it, but I did talk about it in my IKEA haul when I went to IKEA. This desk topper is separate. It's actually not attached to the desk, but that's also from IKEA. And then I have 2 stationery pots. I can't remember where these are from, but you can get stuff like this pretty much anywhere. I then have this light. If you watch my Primark haul, you will know that this isn't an actual light. It's just for show, but never mind. And I then have this tiny speaker, which is so cute because it actually lets off a really loud sound. Also from Formers, just because it matches the room and I thought a speaker would be good. The strip lighting is also from IKEA. I love how this looks. It just kind of like frames the fact that I've got a desk topper here. And then this little filing cabinet is also from IKEA and I really, really like this. I've got notebooks, magazine, I've got like a yearly planner where I like plan my videos and stuff like that, and then just other random bits. It's mainly all notebooks and stationery, but this is just where I keep it because I do think it all looks really nice as well. The drawers in the desk, I actually don't really have anything in yet. I've just got like my glasses, a hand sanitizer, and then some PR stuff that I need to take photos of and haven't got around to yet. So I know that I need to do it because it's still like on the desk, but generally there's not very much in the drawers at the minute. One of my favourite parts of my whole office is this little bit. So I have collected a little like ornament from each city that I've been to recently. So I've got a little piece of the Berlin Wall, a little gondola from Venice, a Leaning Tower of Pisa, the Sagrada Familia from Barcelona. Some of these I've had for years. Like I got this when I was about 12 and I went to London. But yeah, just like little bits and bobs from everywhere that I've visited. Another thing that I absolutely love, oh hi, it's me, is how I have decorated this wall. So all of the prints are from different places. I have this, which is absolutely stunning. The actual like pinboard thing is from Formers. So the reason I love this is because it's actually copper and it's made of like, I don't really know, metal almost, I think. So it's a little bit nicer looking than an actual pinboard, but I've just pinned on it all of the Polaroids I've taken over the last year, or any photo booth strips or things like that. I've also got my Disney ticket from when I went to Disney World. I just love how this looks. I actually really like it. I'm sometimes a bit unsure as to whether these make a room look messy, but I think because they all kind of match, I actually do love it. I then have these 2 prints. My friend Eleanor got me this one, and then one of you guys sent me this, which I love. Then this mirror, which I think just makes the wall, is also from Formers. I absolutely adore it. I've always wanted one of these mirrors that like hangs like that, so I'm really, really happy now that I have one because it's just so cute. And then on this side I have this poster which says "The future is female," and that is actually from Coconut Lane. And then I have a photo of me and Tom in this one, but I'm actually going to change this because I don't really want there to be any photos on this wall, so I'm going to change this to a Taylor Swift quote. If you saw me doing a poll on Instagram, I was getting you guys to help me decide which quote, and the one that I have gone for is, oh my god, actually I can't even remember now, let me have a look. I was deciding between 3. Yeah, the one that I've gone for is "Step into the Daylight and Let It Go," which is from her latest album, and I absolutely love it, and I love the graphics as well. I'm getting Tom to design me that. Obviously pretty handy that he's a graphic designer. And then here I just have 3 prints like directly above my makeup. These are all from New York. I actually bought these in Central Park, and they're just of different New York landmarks. Now I know that there's not really a colour scheme to any of this and that it's a bit mismatched, but I actually do really like that. I think it's cute anyway. And yeah, this is the desk bit. Another one of my favourite parts about this is the chair. So Formers did kindly give me the chair as well, which was just incredible because it's so pretty. It has these gorgeous rose gold legs, which is so, so nice, and the cushion as well was also from them, but it's the softest thing ever. It's honestly like stroking my dog. I just love it so much. And then underneath here I've got this little magazine stand, also 2 more cabinets. Again, there's not too much in them right now, it's just more PR stuff that I haven't actually got a chance to put away or photograph yet. there. Here is a giant eel. I got this in Florida when I was 7 years old and it has lived in my house ever since. But you know what? I don't have the heart to get rid of him, so now he lives in my office with me. On the windowsill, real quick, this is what is on my windowsill. I've got a little mirror, 3 cacti, and then this gorgeous candle, which I actually got in Primark. It doesn't look like a Primark number. It looks more like Bath & Body Works, but it is Primark. And then I went for like this Venetian blind, which is great because you can like twist it completely shut. Oh, wrong way. So when I'm filming, I can close it and open it. It's so easy, and I think it just looks a little bit smarter than a roller blind. But like, I am a really big fan of how this whole wall looks. And then over on this side, I actually have 2 little shelves. They're tiny shelves. They're from IKEA. They cost £4 each. And on this one, I have a little M, 2 more landmarks because I thought that these were almost nice enough to stand alone. So I have the Eiffel Tower and then a little glass Colosseum, and then this photo of me and Tom, which we took in Topshop. And then up at the top is my actual pride and joy. It's my YouTube play button. I'm obsessed with this. Obviously, it took me like forever to earn this, and I'm so proud of the fact that I've got it. But that is what's over here, along with my brand new ring light, which I'm pretty obsessed with. This is so much better than a box light, so much easier to use, and so much less space is taken up. And then lastly, on the floor, I have this rug. It's like a pale pinky, dusky blush colour, also from Formers, which is incredible. I'm so grateful that they gifted me all of this stuff. Honestly, I'm just like in love with all of the accessories in this room. Oh, lastly, oh my god, the fairy lights. I get so many questions about these lights. Honestly, I should just link them in the description of my videos all the time, but they're from Amazon. They're called indoor hanging lights and they cost £38 or something like that, and I've had them for about 4 years now and I'm obsessed with them. They fit on this wall absolutely perfectly, so that is amazing. But yeah, I really hope you guys have enjoyed this little office tour, a little rundown of what is in my brand new office. I will be vlogging in here from now on. I haven't really filmed very much in here up until now because I didn't want to show you guys what it looked like. I haven't put it anywhere yet, so yeah, now that I've shared it a lot, expect to see it on my Instagram frequently. The lighting's just gone so weird over there. We'll stand here. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for making this like possible. I literally know that it's such a cliche, but when I started this, I just did it from my phone in my bed, and now I have a whole office in my house, and it's like, honestly, it's so much nicer. It's so much easier to be able to separate like working and living and have all of my beauty spectrum-esque stuff in one room that is like kind of keeping it separate to the rest of my life, which is really nice. It's so much more organized and it just feels better like mentally as well to have it separate. And I'm so happy that it's done. Like, this has been a work in progress. I've been working on this office now for like the last 5 weeks and it's just about there. I'm pretty sure there's not much else I need to add now. Like, I'm pretty happy with it. I've kept this entire back wall white because I think it's just great for filming hauls, taking pictures, stuff like that. So it just was easier to keep one wall completely white. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below so that you don't miss future uploads filmed from said office. I shall be back on Thursday with a challenge video that got a little bit messy, I am not gonna lie to you. Subscribe so that you see that, and I shall see you all then. Bye guys!